What's going on, guys? Rob from Geek, and today I have another case study for you for a mobile auto glass repair client. They are generating over 50 leads a month on a modest budget. They're actually not even spending all of it because they're limited by their location. So if they expand their locations, they would get more leads. But I'm going to walk you through this campaign and show you why it's successful. So these are 51, I think it was 51 leads. 51 leads in the last 30 days, which is April 16th to May 15th, 2023. So let's dive into it. So one quick thing before we get into the campaign stats and I walk you through everything and show you how it all works. What you're about to see is a template. We have dozens of these mobile auto glass repair clients all across the entire United States. So it's a clone. Everything is clonable. All right. Sorry, my battery thing just popped up there. So everything you're about to see is a clone. We take new clients. We take an existing campaign that we have that's already successful. We clone it, swap the new client's information in, and roll out their location to generate leads in their target area. So if that's of interest to you and you want us to run this campaign for your auto glass business, go to the description below this video. There's a link to work with us, an application link. You can walk through and fill out an application link to work with us. And if your territory is not taken, then we can roll this campaign out in as fast as 24 hours. Okay, guys, so we're inside the client Google Ads account. You'll see here, there's our campaign. Let's go over to the date range here. You can see last 30 days, April 16th to May 15th, 2023. And they are spending, I want to say $100 a day, but I don't think they're spending all of that. So they're spending $100 a day, Monday through Friday, and they're obviously limited by budget here. But if we go across and check out these stats, you see 119 clicks, 1,455 impressions, 8.18% click-through rate, which is great. That means people like our ads. They're getting clicks over other competitors. Average cost per click in this market's cheap. It's $7.99. Now, keep in mind, that's not what they are paying every single time. Sometimes it's a little more, sometimes it's less. They could be paying $2 a click on some clicks. This is the average across all of the 119 clicks. The average was $7.99. So people get way too hung up on that number. Cost $9.51 they spent in the last 30 days in Google Ads. They gotten 51 leads. So that's 51 different sales opportunities for people specifically searching for auto glass repair and replacement services in Google on their phones, right? So this is a mostly call only campaign. Cost per lead. So cost per lead, $18.65, right where I'd like to be with mobile auto glass repair. And the conversion rate for that campaign is 42.86%. That is unicorn status. Doesn't get much better than that with Google Ads lead generation. So that's right where we want to be as well. And again, that's the campaign here. Now let's go into the keywords and I'll walk you guys through exactly which keywords we are targeting and you can check all that stuff out. Okay, so now here you can see we're inside the campaign. We're at the ad group level. You'll see all these ad groups. We have our target CPA set for $16 a lead and they're coming in at 18, so a little bit over, but we're going to bring that down with time. Now you can see all these ad groups, right? Mobile auto glass replacement. We have Boston, some geo ad groups, Somerville, Dorchester. So there's a lot of different ad groups we got going on here that are bringing in conversions. So we go up to the top. We'll see our main ones here that are driving everything. So windshield replacement, which is a SCAG. It's a single keyword ad group, has driven 28 leads. Mobile windshield replacement, 6. Car window replacement, 5. And then we have a Boston geo that's driven 7, and then a couple one-offs down here. So all super highly relevant stuff. If we go into keywords, I'll show you the search terms we're going after. Everything is phrase and exact match. You'll see here we're pausing keywords that are too high CPA, so we're keeping our client's CPA nice and low. So look at that. Replace windshield, 28 leads. Car window replacement quote, 5 leads. Windshield replacement mobile service, 4 leads. And on and on and on. So these campaigns pull leads, right? And every lead is just another sales opportunity for our client to book a job, go out there and get that return on their Google Ads spend. 51 leads, 30 days, $18.65 a lead. We'll get that down probably to $15, $16, I would say. So don't have to book many of those to get a nice return on that out of all those leads. Now, if we go into devices, let's see where all the traffic's coming from. We have mobile phones, tablets, and just regular computers. So it looks like majority are cell phones. 38 leads came from cell phones. A little bit higher of a cost per lead, but that's okay. The TCPA will dial that in. $13 leads with desktop computer, which is kind of crazy. That's probably because we have a negative bid adjustment on that. So if we lift that a little bit, which I'll probably do after this video. I'll lift it up to like maybe -4%, see if we can squeeze out a few extra leads at that similar or a little bit higher cost per lead. And again, it's just a game of averages, guys, right? So 20, 13, 18. If we keep that lead cost around 16 bucks in this niche, we're good to go. All right, any questions? Drop them in the comment section below.